number of voids in CCP or FCC. Packing of FCC is similar to the CCP. Both are analogous to each other. Number of tetrahedral void and वो भी octahedral void in CCP. Closed cubic packing or FCC. One OV octahedral void present at the center of body. Octahedral void present at middle or at center of each side. The number of side in cube is 12. That is at each 12 side. Third, tetrahedral void present just before the each corner. OV at side is in contact of 4 other unit cells. Hence, coordination number for such void is 1/4. Contribution of corner O V octahedral void at center is not in contact of other. So on the basis of these conclusions, we will find number of octahedral void and tetrahedral void in CCP or FCC. Now let us consider the figure. One OV at the center, OV octahedral void, and at the middle of each side, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. There are 12 sides in the cube. The octahedral void present at the middle of each side. OV at the center of this, OV at the center of this, OV at the center of this octahedral void, at the center of this octahedral void, OV, 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 OV. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. OV. OV. Since each octahedral void at the side are in contact of 4 unit cell, hence coordination number is taken as 1/4, and at the center it is alone. It is not contact of the other void. OV means octahedral void. The number of octahedral void, OV is equal to number of sites into contribution of each unit cell plus OV 8 center. The number of sides are 12. Contribution for each side is 1 by 4 and one octahedral void alone at the center. So this will be equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4. It means octahedral voids in CCP or FCC is 4. Now we will pay our individual attention at the tetrahedral void. The tetrahedral void present just before each corner. As you know, there are 8 corners in the cube. So just before 8 corners, one TV tetrahedral void is present. Consider the figure. One TV. One TV just before this corner. TV. TV. TV, 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 TV. Number of tetrahedral voids is equal to number of corners into contribution of each corner. 8 into 1 equal to 8. So thus it is obvious that it is clear that number of tetrahedral voids are just double rather than that of the OV octahedral void. Thus, number of TV is just double than number of OV. octahedral duets. If OV are young, then TV is equal to 2 here. After this, our new topic is piping fraction or piping density. Piping fraction or piping efficiency or piping density. It indicates what portion, what part of available volume of the cube is occupied by constituents, that is by sphere. It provides an idea that how many parts of available volume of unit cell is occupied by spheres. Piping fraction is equal to Z number of constituents, atom, molecule or ion present in unit cell into volume of sphere. Atom or ion is considered as spherical in shape, either cation or anion or atom. It is considered that shape of atom or ion is spherical. The volume of sphere, that is constituents, upon volume of unit cell into 100. Case first, we will calculate piping fraction for simple cubic, body centered cubic BCC and face centered cubic FCC step by step. Case first, in case of simple cubic, simple or primitive, cubic, that is SC, simple cubic. For this, Z is equal to 1. In simple cube, constituents present only at 8 corners, not at the center of body, not at the center of face, only at the corners. For this, Z is equal to 1 and A is equal to 2. A is length of the side of cube, all side of cube have equal length. Thus, packing fraction is equal to 1 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube upon volume of cube, that is a cube. Now substitute a is equal to 2r in this. So 1 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube upon 2r cube. This will be equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube upon 8 r cube. R cube cancel. We will have 4 pi upon 24 or pi by 6. Put pi is equal to 22 upon 7 or 3.16. It will be equal to pi by 6 into 100. Pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Thus, it will be equal to 50 pi upon 3 or 50 into 3.14 upon 3. On calculation we will get percentage 52.3. 52.3%. Next, for FCC number 2, for FCC, Z is equal to number of constituents present in face-centered cube. Z is equal to 4. It has been already calculated in the back topics, and A is equal to 4r upon under root 2. So these value will be substituted in the formula of packing fraction. Packing fraction or packing efficiency equal to Z into volume of sphere into 100 upon volume of unit cell. This will be equal to 4 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube into 100 upon volume of cube A cube. thus 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100 upon 4r upon under root 2 cube. 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100 upon 64 r cube upon 2 under root 2. 2 under root 2 will go at numerator. 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100 into 2 under root 2 upon 64 r cube. R cube cancel. Thus we will have 4 into 4 by 3 pi into 100 into 2 under root 2 upon 64. Put pi is equal to 3.14 and value of under root 2 is equal to 1.414. We will get value of this equal to approximately 74%, 74.06% approximately. Now third case for BCC, body centered cubic. For this Z is equal to 2 and R is equal to A is equal to 4R upon under root 3. This value will be substituted in the formula of packing fraction. Packing fraction is equal to 2 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube into 100 whole upon a cube. So here a is 4r upon under root 3. 4r upon under root 3 cube. Thus we will have 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100 upon 64 r cube upon 3 under root 3. So this 3 under root 3 will go in numerator. Thus 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100 into 3 under root 3 upon 64 r cube. R cube cancel. Thus we will have 2 into 4 by 3 pi into 100 into 3 under root 3 upon 64. When 3.14 is placed in instead of pi and 1.732 is placed instead of under root 3. After calculation we will get value of this is 68%. 68%. Now next, how A is equal to 4R upon under root 3 for the BCC. Now let us consider this. It is cube. Side of each cube is A. Let it is A, B, C. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, by Pythagorean theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, A square plus A square, 2A square. On taking under root on both sides, we have AC is equal to A under root 2. Thus, length of this diagonal is A under root 2. In another case, A under root 2, A, B, C, D. Now let us consider the another triangle. In triangle ACD, AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. This is length of the cube. It will be also equal to A under root 2 square plus A square, 2A square plus A square, that is 3A square. On taking under root on both sides, AD is equal to A under root 3. The distance of this diagonal AD is equal to A under root 3. Now consider the sphere in case of BCC. Sphere present at all the 8 corners as well as at the center of cube. In this configuration, one sphere at the center of the cube. another sphere, and further another sphere, so this distance equal to r radius, this is r, a d b c. So in case of radius of sphere, length of AD will be equal to r plus r plus r plus r, that is 4r. So now comparing the AD in both figures, a under root 3 is equal to 4r, or simply a is equal to 4r upon under root